I just wanted to show what this looks like. This train is actually too long for the siding, so the Silver Meteor stays on the main line, and the freight train pulls around it on the siding, and it's so long that the engineer from Silver Meteor got out to do a smoke break.